Chidi worked at an oil facility in Port Harcourt. While his community, Ikwerre fishing village, suffered from oil pollution, contaminated waters, and broken promises of compensation, Chidi grew rich. How? He illegally siphoned crude oil, selling it on the black market. Business is business, he'd say, driving his new SUV past children with skin rashes from polluted water. One afternoon, a pipeline ruptured near Ikwerre, Chidi's doing. Instead of reporting it properly, he covered it up to hide his illegal tapping. The spill destroyed the remaining fishing grounds. That evening, a young fisherman's daughter named Adaize confronted him at his gate. "Uncle Chidi, our waters are black. The fish are dead. My father cannot feed us. You work for the oil company. Please help us." Chidi waved her away. "Not my problem. Go report it to the government." That night, Chidi's nightmare began. He dreamt he was drowning in thick black crude oil. It filled his lungs, choking him. He couldn't breathe, couldn't scream, just endless suffocation. He woke up gasping, but kept coughing up black liquid. Real crude oil poured from his mouth onto his expensive bed sheets. A voice echoed through his room. "You poison for profit. Now taste what you've sown." For 3 days, Chidi couldn't eat without tasting oil, couldn't drink without smelling petroleum. His skin began to itch and burn like the children in his village. Every night, the drowning dreams returned. On the 4th day, broken and desperate, Chidi went to his village. The elders were gathered by the dead river. "The land is crying," the oldest elder said, looking at Chidi with knowing eyes. "Someone fed greed while the community starved. The earth demands justice." Chidi fell to his knees and confessed everything: the illegal siphoning, the covered-up spill, the years of profiting while his people suffered. "I'm sorry," he wept. "Tell me how to make this right." The elder nodded slowly. "Confession is the first step. Now comes restitution." Chidi became a whistleblower. He exposed not just his own crimes, but the oil company's negligence, their decades of unpaid compensation, their falsified environmental reports. He lost his job immediately. His colleagues called him a traitor. His bank accounts were frozen during investigations. But the black liquid stopped pouring from his mouth. The dreams stopped. He could breathe again. With what money he had left, Chidi hired environmental lawyers for his community. He testified at tribunals. He became the face of the fight against environmental injustice in the Niger Delta. The oil company eventually paid compensation. Ikwerre got clean water projects. Chidi never regained his wealth, but he gained something more valuable: the ability to look Adaize and the other children in the eye. "You are drowning in greed. Now you swim in redemption. The land forgives those who return to righteousness." Chidi now works with environmental NGOs, using his inside knowledge to fight oil pollution across the Niger Delta. He lives simply, but he sleeps peacefully, and he never tastes oil anymore.